Hello. So we are really getting into our study of the Crucible, and we will be reading it out loud in class. So your responsibility for the reading of the Crucible is to either read a part, complete, or if you choose not to read a part aloud, then you will have an additional writing assignment that covers what we learn in the Crucible. You are also expected to take notes as we are reading The Crucible. We will be stopping occasionally to discuss the events and the characters, their motivations. This is when you need to be taking notes. This is an assignment that you will be handing in. You can also use the notes to help you with the essay and to help you with this particular assignment, the wanted poster. So I want to go over the assignment first, and then I'll show you an example of something I kind of whipped up. Granted, it is not an A level quality, but you'll get the idea. All right. So let's go into the assignment on Google Classroom. We scroll down to Unit 2, and it says Lesson 5 Analyzing Character. Okay. So select one of the characters in the play as your focus. Create one of the following depending on the events of the play and how your character fits in. You can use Canva, Google Slides to create your poster, or you can do a news story, kind of like on KSN or CNN or something like that. You can actually do a news story using the Adobe Creative Cloud, and you can even use the Animate from Audio if you want. So here are your options. There are three. You can do a missing person poster or notification. Who's gone missing? When were they last seen? What do they look like? What is their age? What were the events surrounding their disappearance? And who should the people notify if they see them? Okay, so who goes missing from the play? Where were they last seen? What do they look like? What were the events that surrounded their disappearance, and who should people notify? All right. The other option for posters is a wanted poster or announcement. You need to identify the crime. What is the character's description? Why are they wanted by law enforcement? What are the events surrounding the crime? And who should people notify? Okay. So I just whipped one up. This is probably a C level assignment. So you can see the name is Ann Putnam. There's a picture for the description, wanted on charges of witchcraft, for events of cursing, casting spells, lies, deception, and nefarious activities in the woods. So the reason it would be a C is because there's no physical description and there's no information on who to notify. So that's why it would be a C. Okay. Your third option is a trial announcement or news story. Who's the person being charged? What are they charged with? What are the circumstances, evidence, reasoning, that kind of thing? Who are the persons of interest? Who are the judge and the attorneys? So it'd be like a report of like what's going on in Act 2 or 3 of the play. That's where you would get your information. Okay. You can also do Act 4. You know, you're not going to find a lot of information in Act 1 about this. So if you're more of a person who likes to get more information, this might be an option. It would be you're more than welcome to videotape it. Using your phones, you can do a video, put a green screen behind you, that kind of thing, or you can put up like a poster or something, some kind of a background. like have a courthouse in the background or something like that. All right. Um, but you want to, okay, who's being charged? What are the charges being brought? Um, what are the circumstances? Who's the victims? Who are the judges and attorneys? That kind of thing. So, those are your options for analyzing character. If you have any questions, as always, come talk to me or email me, and I will respond and help you be successful at this. Good luck.